And see, I have a bottle already labeled that says apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be using that vinegar for my onion jam I'm going to make today. But first I wanted to check on my vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for cooking, putting a splash in your bread and your pancakes. I like it for my hair, my body. It has so much medicinal benefits as well as cleaning. I have some in my bathroom and under my sink. I put a splash in my rinse water to help eliminate soap if I haven't rinsed my dishes well enough. That rinse water with vinegar cuts soap. It also, if you put it in with a little bit of your wash water, cuts grease. There's 101 uses for apple cider vinegar. But my real reason for doing this video today is to show you what's going on with my apple cider vinegar. And the other day I tried to get a close-up here of the white at the bottom of my jar, and that is the thick white right here. All of that is the mother. It doesn't have to float on top. But let me take the lid off this. By the way, these little brown coffee filters come in handy. I use them as a temporary lid to keep flies and yuck out of my vinegars. And as you can see in here, we got some beautiful white stuff on top. Well, that white stuff is the mother beginning. Looks like I got a part of an apple seed over there, huh? Yep. So, and I am trying to do this one-handed, so I apologize. But, see, the mother is just starting to come up. So, I'm going to stir this up because I really can't shake it well. Look at this over here. And just kind of scooch it all down in again. And just get it wet and get it in too. See, and I get it wet, and that's part of the core there. See, I didn't even take out cores in this. I just left it all when I sliced up the apples to throw in for my vinegar. A lot of people just use peels and the core. But there you go, see? And it looks good. It's starting to get warm enough. So I'm going to put the lid back on it. And these little elastics are great for sealing it in so your little lid doesn't fall off. Woohoo, now you can see that pretty good. There, see? So I'll be right back as soon as I attach that. Okay, see? It's attached and secured. And now I want to keep it warm, and because that's how it works best, if it's kept warm. So I have something that I made that's come in really handy to cover So there you can see it. And it's just a cover. But there's a hole space at the top here with that I put elastic in. So if I wanted to bring it down or needed to bring it down a little bit further, I could. But what's nice about this is that it protects my vinegar, keeps it out of the sun, but I can still keep it on the counter to keep it warm. So I moved it aside. It's in a nice warm spot and it's covered. Okay, now I can just let it sit for a few weeks.